The role of mitosis and meiosis in genetics. Genetics is a branch of biology that focuses on how traits and characteristics are passed from parents to their offspring. It helps explain why we inherit certain failures from our family and how variations among living organisms occur. One of the central aspects of genetics is cell division, the process by which cells multiply to allow growth, repair, and reproduction. Mitosis is a type of cell division that occurs in somatic or body cells. It is responsible for reproducing two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the original parent cell. This process is important from the growth of molecular organisms, replacement of damaged tissues, and in some cases, asexual reproduction. Stage of mitosis. Prophase chromosomes become visible as they condense. The spindle fibers begin to form, and the nuclear envelope starts to break down. Metaphase chromosomes line up at the equatorial plate of the cell. Anaphase sister chromatids are separate and pulled toward opposite pole of the cell. Telophase chromosomes react the pole and nuclear membrane begin to form around them. This is the stages of mitosis. The first stage is interphase. The second stage is prophase. The third is metaphase. And the fourth is anaphase. Then the fifth is telophase. The last is cytokinesis. Stages of mitosis. Meiosis happens in two consecutive divisions. Meiosis, a reduction division. Prophase 1. Homologous chromosome pair up, exchange genetic material through crossing over. Metaphase 1. Homologous pair align at equator of the cell. Anaphase 1. Homologous chromosomes move apart to opposite pole. Telophase and telophase 1 and cytokinesis. Two haploid cells are produced. Meiosis 2. Similar to mitosis. Prophase 2. Metaphase 2. Anaphase 2. Telophase 2. Sister chromatids separate just like in mitosis. Four genetically unique haploid gametes are formed at the end of meiosis 2. Comparison between mitosis and meiosis. Failure. Purpose. Mitosis, growth, tissue repair, asexual reproduction. Meiosis, sexual reproduction and genetic diversity. Failure. Number of division. Mitosis 1, meiosis 2. Failure. Daughter cell. Mitosis 2 diploid cell. Meiosis 4 haploid cell. Unique. Failure. Genetic variation. Mitosis none. Meiosis present. Application of mitosis. Growth and development. Mitosis allowed organisms to increase in size from a single fertilized egg to a full growth individual. Tissue repair. When we get injured, mitosis help repair damaged skin and organ by creating new identical cell. asexual reproduction. Some organisms, like certain plant, fungi, and simple animals, use mitosis to reproduce without needing a mate. Meiosis, formation of gametes. Meiosis is necessary for the production of egg and sperm cell. Without it, sexual reproduction would not be possible. Genetic diversity. Through crossing over and independent assortment, meiosis increases genetic variation, which is important for survival and adaptation. Selective breeding. Farmer and breeders use knowledge and meiosis to produce plants and animals with desirable traits. And this is the references. That's all. Thank you.